Welcome everybody, your boy Ismael here. On our first topic, Ethereum DeFi broke record in June, but other categories are suffering. Ethereum 2020 DeFi boom came at a cost of its gaming ecosystem. On the next update, Chainlink investors worry about a correction, but on Chainlink metrics tell otherwise. Chainlink developments in extreme bearish formation, but on-chain fundamentals remain strong. Cardano ADA may be listed on Coinbase before the end of 2020. Cardano's ADA may be listed on Coinbase by the end of 2020. This comes on the heels of the announcement that ADA holders will be able to stock their asset lock in exchange vault. Research: Bitcoin volatility reached one-year low. May hint big move is near. On the other news, Bitcoin startup Zap is working with Visa. Also, if you like to diversify your income, discover how to earn Ethereum daily guide directly to your Ethereum wallet with this simple and lucrative Ethereum smart contract system. The link should be in the description below. If you like herb, you have back pain, you have insomnia, you cannot sleep at night, you have stress, the link also should be on the description below. On our first update, results for the second quarter of 2020 show tremendous growth for decentralized application across all ecosystems, primarily spearheaded by Ethereum, decentralized finance, or DeFi. Decentralized exchange were at the front lines of the rise of the compound token mining activity tricked down to on-chain swapping solution. According to a network, Curve was one of the biggest beneficiaries of yield farming as it helped users switch between different stablecoins to maximize yield. Curve is an automated money market that only supports swap between different types of stablecoin and wrap tokens. The limitation allowed Curve to provide competitive slippage and fee for exchanging assets. According to DApp Radar, second quarter report the dominance of DeFi indirectly led to the decline of gaming activities. Over 8 billion was transacted on DeFi platform in second quarter, which led to gas price soaring exponentially. Ethereum vibrant gaming dApp ecosystem software fee came to represent its significant portion of each transaction. DApp Radar reported a staggering 79% decline of the gaming related activity on chain over the previous quarter. On the next update, Chainlink has seen an impressive rally thus far this year. It has been fueled by different partnerships that have put this altcoin in the spotlight of cryptocurrency market. The decentralized Oracle token provides investors a mid-year return on investment of nearly 160%. Despite the considerable returns, market participants worry about a potential correction that could wipe out some of the gains occurred. If this bearish signal was validated into the black and out on the money around IO map model, indicate that the chain could drop to $4.50, which is also where the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level sits. Here, the IO map concur revealed that 4,300 addresses have previously purchased nearly 12 million link. This massive supply barrier could have the ability to absorb any downside pressure and allow Oracle tokens to bounce off toward the new yearly highs, but failing to do so may trigger the decline to 38.2 or 50% Fibonacci retracement level. So is everything lost? A look at Chainlink Network Value to Transaction Rodeo, or NTV, provide insightful information. What is the fair value of the token? What is link? NTV is high. It indicates that the network's valuation is outstripping the value being transmitted into its payment network. Link is getting an abundance of token circulation right now. 5 straight months of being well under the trend lines is great to see. And as long as these things continue to look green, heading into July, expect to see plenty more independent surge from the Chainlink, says Sentiment. On our other news, Cardano native cryptocurrency ADA may be listed on Coinbase by the end of 2020. This news comes following an announcement that ADA holders will soon be able to stock their asset in Coinbase custody. An IOHK Cardano Development Company spokesperson released this following statement to Cointelegraph, replying to the question of whether a Coinbase listing is also in work. With the release of Adastria, our new suite of libraries and IPs allowing for a seamless, modular process of integrating Cardano with Exchange. We've been working closely with the number of exchange, and the community can expect more announcements before the end of 2020. This news comes amidst Cardano's virtual summit, which revealed a plethora of news update for the project this week. On July 2nd, it was announced that the IOHK is launching C-Fund in partnership with the Wave Financial Group. C-Fund will be a venture fund. The company has initially committed $10 million, with another $10 million to be raised by its partner. C-Fund is expected to make an investment worth $250,000 to $500,000 in a startup and early stage business that could build their product and service on the IOKS blockchain technology, including Cardano. The volatility of Bitcoin has dropped to around 50% in the first quarter of 2020. By the end of the quarter, Bitcoin saw volatility spike to nearly 200%, as its price dropped below $3,600. The low implied volatility of Bitcoin can be comprehended in two ways. First, it might suggest that Bitcoin is in an accumulation phase. From January to April in 2019, the price of Bitcoin remained fairly stable over $4,000. There was a little volatility during the 4 months, and it was followed by a rally $14,000. When both retail and institutional investors are in an accumulation phase, the price of Bitcoin can remain less volatile. Historically, an accumulation period is typically accompanied by a prolonged bull market. Second, it could hint that Bitcoin is consolidating below a key multi-year resistance level. Bitcoin fell below $9,000 for a total of 7 times since May. It continuously rejects $10,000, $9,000, and $9,800, $9,200, 3 critical resistance levels that held up since 2018. The lack of volatility at the important price point for Bitcoin might indicate low buying demand to push Bitcoin over a psychological level of $10,000. It might decrease the probability of surging past $10,000 and $500, which stopped previous rallies in October 2019 and February 2020. Technically, if Bitcoin surpassed 1.5K in the near term, it would indicate a near bearish market structure. But the repeat rejection of the same level make a strong uptrend less likely in the short term. And we saved the best for last. A Visa card is also in the works. Zap Inc. has joined Visa Fast Track program, Mallard said in the email about the startup plan for 2020. A Visa worked with a member of the Fast Track program to help them go to the market in the most efficient way possible, providing them support and resource every step of the way. He said his primary focus this year is launching a Strike card for consumers app users integrating Visa Direct into the consumer app, which is the program that makes Venmo payment so fast. There's no date for the upcoming Strike card. The Visa are a partner for our consumer insurance offering and are not involved in our merchant offering at all, Mallard said. This year, Visa appeared to be doubling down on partnership with the crypto companies. For example, the shopping reward app Fold, also a Fast Track member, the exchange Coinbase both also offer corresponding Visa card. These are generally used by crypto advocates who prefer to earn Bitcoin rewards rather than other type of point. There are also crypto debit cards, which allow people to spend dollars. It remains to be seen what specific option will be available to the Zap cardholder in 2020. Visa confirmed the deal but did not offer any additional comment by the press time. Privacy perks. Anyone around the world can now anonymously send Bitcoin with American Bank account or credit cards. Strike offer a public identifier that is not associated with one personal Bitcoin address. Instead, the startup message this wallet address. This means someone can pay content creators, for example, without revealing their personal information to each other. So far, the Strike setup is mostly used by small business and small customers, One such user is a coder and a U.S. Army veteran named Rick in Colorado. Used Strike to purchase medicine to help with his seizure. Another user who goes by Tyler buy gift card with Strike. It's very responsive. There's never lag time or anything like that. It's like Twitter or something. Rick said in a phone interview describing how intuitive Strike was. The startup offered two different services. The merchant offering the business and the free mobile app for the consumers. For users who prefer to receive Bitcoin, they can use Zap Namesake product, a Latin-friendly Bitcoin wallet. The Zap wallet offers self-custody for Bitcoin, while the custodial Strike wallet only receive value in fiat. This has been your boy Ismail. Thank you for tuning in and thank you for watching. Have a great day.